Right, it's Saturday, it's 10 to 1 and I'm just finishing off this Pebble Dash. Sometimes you just got to stick a Saturday in, don't you, to get your decks cleared. It's been not up there, but it's done now, so let's just show you. Wow, I have had it. You know, 4 days of climbing about on ladders and scaffolds and round the back. I'll try and show you on the picture, but you've got to set up the scaffold to put a board across the roof to go onto the ridge tiles. I mean, up and down, up and down. 4 days of that, I've had it, I really have. I don't want to do another one of them. And I know I will, but I don't want to. And next time, if I do, I'm going to stick another 2 days on it, you know. I know it wasn't a big area, and that's the trouble sometimes when you look at jobs and you're just looking at them. Half the time you're passing, so you're on your way home and you just want to get home and you say, oh yeah, I'll pop in and have a look. So when you are just popping by on your home and having a look, if you're anything like me, you just poke your head in. Oh yeah, that, yeah, okay, I'll give you a price, mate, and off I'm gone again. I never take the time to really look about. Now, had I done that on that job, I think I would have stuck another day on that, because I didn't realise all that newer Pebble Dash was so raw and it needed so much more paint. Really and truly, I'd like to have given it all another coat, but I haven't priced it for that, so it is what it is. And also just access. You look up, you think, oh, window there, ladders there, but you don't really take into account just what that means to get to them things. I don't anyway, so next time I get one of them jobs, I think I'll just stick another day or two on it. If I don't get it, I'm not bothered. I don't want them jobs, you know. Half the time, the only reason I get them jobs is because I've either done work in the house or I've done work in a neighbour's house. And then if you say no, it's like, you look like you're being a bit of an arsehole. So sometimes I'll say yes without even really wanting the job, really. But anyway, that's another Saturday done. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. Me and the missus are off out tonight to a party. It's an 80th, but it'll be still a party, isn't it? I won't be drinking, she'll have a drink. I'm a lightweight nowadays, I don't really touch it. I don't mind a few drinks, but I'd rather let her drink if she wants to. And depending on how I feel, on Monday, I might pop to Andrews and stick that toilet in for him. Get that one done so the poor solid can have a poo. Anyway, have a great weekend, everybody. It's warm and lovely till this evening, I think. Then we've got rain down south, I think. Anyway, see you later on.